Welcome to the Ohio Medical Vacuum and Air Products presentation. We appreciate you joining us to learn more about how Ohio Medical can help you and your business. Before I begin, I'd like to provide a brief history of our company. In 1916, Squire Cogswell was founded in Chicago and was a key manufacturer of medical gas, suction, and oxygen therapy equipment for Ohio Chemical. In 2005, the Squire Cogswell Aeros Company and Omeda Suction and Oxygen Therapy businesses were acquired and Ohio Medical was reformed. Today, Ohio Medical is owned by private equity company 10X Capital Management. Ohio Medical has a vast selection of medical gas products, including a variety of air and vacuum systems, which are all NFPA compliant, medical gas alarms, med gas outlets, valves, valve boxes, and manifolds. At Ohio Medical, we work hard for our customers, providing high-level expertise to quickly respond and quote technical information for our customers. We maintain significant stocking levels to serve our customers with both short and long-term needs. Our portfolio is made up of 7 core product groups. These include our rotary vane vacuum pumps, oilless rotary claw vacuum pumps, liquid ring vacuum pumps, oilless scroll air compressors, oilless piston air compressors, and accessories such as service kits, vacuum filters, and oil. One of our key product lines is our oil-sealed rotary vane vacuum pump, which we have provided since 1999. Ranging in size from 1 to 25 horsepower, this line competes directly with Bush, Reachley, and Becker. They are commonly used in hospitals and labs, as well as multiple industrial applications. Key markets include meat and cheese packing, thermoforming, aviation, product hold-down, and others. These pumps achieve an end vacuum of 29.9 inches of mercury, which is needed for food packaging and thermoforming. A key feature of this line of pumps is that their service parts fit directly into Bush vacuum pumps. We sell many repair kits to service companies who specialize in pump rebuild. Next up is our line of claw vacuum pumps. A key characteristic of these pumps is that they have no oil in the pumping chamber. These pumps provide a high level of CFM, as they are driven by 3,500 RPM motors. They are ideal for medium vacuum use, with an end vacuum of about 24 inches of mercury, depending on the model. They range in size from 2 to 30 horsepower. Claw pumps are commonly used in hospital and lab central vacuum systems, plastics plants, product hold-down, and soil vapor extraction. They compete directly with Bush and Reachley claw pumps. They can also be configured as compressors for low-pressure applications. Our claw pumps are also offered in an HS series configuration. These versions are equipped with 1750 RPM motors. In most cases, only about 60% of the motor's full load amps are absorbed. The HS series claws operate very quietly and with low heat generation. A key feature of the HS claws is that they can be run continuously with low maintenance. If higher pumping capacity is required in the future, the claw can easily be retrofit with a 3,500 RPM motor. The HS models compete effectively with dry-running rotary vane vacuum pumps. Our liquid ring vacuum pumps are offered in several configurations, including monoblock or motor-mounted design. They provide simple installation and are compact and economical. The motor-mounted models range in size from 3 to 10 horsepower, while 15 and 20 horsepower versions fitted with NEMA flanges are also offered. Our models include stainless steel impellers and mechanical seals. Liquid ring pumps are ideal for wet processes such as plastic extrusion, food dehydration, dairy processing, and others. They can also be provided in all stainless steel construction. For deeper vacuum applications, 2-stage liquid ring pumps are typically employed. Our 2-stage models range in size from 7.5 to 40 horsepower and are used in wet processes in the food and plastics industries, such as extrusion, poultry packaging, and whey evaporation. All models are fitted with stainless steel impellers and mechanical seals. They can also be provided in all stainless steel construction. Also available from Ohio Medical are oilless scroll air compressors in 3, 5, 7.5, and 10 horsepower sizes. They are offered in both low pressure and high pressure versions. They are used for a variety of applications, including medical air, laboratory air, and some manufacturing facilities where a source of clean, oil-free air is needed. We offer the scrolls as either an air end or a complete module with motor, belts, guard, and relief valve. This slide illustrates how the low and high pressure oilless scroll air ends fit on Powerex and Atlas Copco systems. Ohio Medical has provided many replacement air ends to hospitals and labs that are equipped with Powerex or Atlas Copco systems. We feature excellent availability with competitive prices. Low and high pressure scrolls both serve different roles. The low pressure unit, which is used mainly for medical air, can produce up to 115 psi, while a high pressure scroll used in labs or for industrial projects delivers a maximum pressure of 145 psi. Ohio Medical branded oilless piston compressors range in size from 3 to 30 horsepower. They are used in hospitals and labs where clean, oil-free air is needed. These compressors are used on complete air systems, as well as for replacements of Quincy, Ingersoll Rand, Champion, and Powerex compressors. We can provide either a bare compressor or a complete module with motor, belts, belt guard, temperature switches, and unloader solenoid. Ohio Medical desiccant dryers are available for medical, lab, and industrial applications. Standard models have fixed purge intervals, while the ES energy-saving versions have dew point sensing capability and will only purge when needed. Ohio Medical can also provide complete air treatment skids for hospitals and labs. Our dryer line also includes energy-efficient refrigerated dryers. We also stock a complete line of pre-filters, after filters, carbon filters, and regulators. It's a one-stop shop for all of your dryer needs. As mentioned, Ohio Medical carries many typical service kits for Bush rotary vane vacuum pumps. This includes filter kits and rebuild kits, mounting feet, temperature switches, and other accessories for popular models. Many meat packers and cheese packers with Bush pumps rely on Ohio Medical for immediate availability and great prices to service their pumps. This includes replacement pump modules, as shown in the slide. When it comes time to replace your pump, we can do that too, with comparably sized models. Ohio Medical offers inlet vacuum filters for a wide variety of applications. Included are standard filters, liquid separators, and bacterial filters. Our standard inlet filters have paper elements, but can be fitted with polyester elements if moisture is present. Our liquid separators feature stainless steel screens, clear buckets, and drains. Medical bacterial filters are offered for vacuum pumps where bacteria may be present. All of our filters are shown in detail on our website, www.ohiomedicalparts.com. Standard on all of our multiplex vacuum and air systems is our touchscreen electrical panel. The Ohio Medical Color LCD touchscreen control panel offers quick and easy setup, as well as crystal clear monitoring of system conditions. All of our screens are UL 508A certified and meet NFPA 99 Healthcare Facilities Code. They can also be programmed in English or Spanish. These panels are available for system retrofits, where upsizing of the system is needed or where more modern technology is desired. Our main goal is to help make you feel comfortable doing business with us. We work hard at being proactive and answering any and all questions you may have. When we send you a quote, you'll receive the quote with terms, a dimensional drawing, a data sheet showing the pump capacities, and a parts link from our website, so you can learn even more. In addition, You'll get years of industry expertise and unmatched customer service. Finally, we've developed a series of industry-specific brochures to highlight the pumps and compressors that are right for your needs. In addition to the medical and lab markets, we also specialize in plastic extrusion, thermoforming, meat and poultry packaging, dairy, die casting, and soil remediation. Our lead products for the extrusion industry are our monoblock liquid ring vacuum pumps. The 3 horsepower model is often used on extruder vents, while the 5 horsepower model, the SM55, is very popular on vacuum sizing tanks. In some cases, larger pumps, such as our 7.5 or 10 horsepower models, are used. A key feature that is promoted is the center drain valve that prevents flooding of the pump, which can cause damage. As mentioned, thermoforming is one of our key markets. Our rotary vane vacuum pumps are used on this application due to their deep vacuum capability. We can help thermoformers with new pumps at a great price, as well as service parts for their bush pumps. Having these products available for quick delivery is a key capability. Meat and poultry packaging usually requires vacuum, and we can provide several styles to meet the needs. For meat packers, we offer our line of rotary vane vacuum pumps. Models ranging from 10 to 25 horsepower are commonly used for meat packing. Our S25 competes directly against the Bush 630, which is very popular. Also, our service kits are well received in this market due to price and availability. Dairy applications often require vacuum pumps. For cheese processing and whey evaporation, liquid ring pumps from 10 to 20 horsepower are popular choices. Some medium vacuum equipment, such as tray forming machines, use claw vacuum pumps. And like meat packing, cheese packing uses rotary vane pumps for their deep vacuum capability. Our many accessories also appeal to dairy customers. Vacuum die casting is another vacuum application that calls for our pumps. Rotary vane vacuum is often used to help evacuate air from a mold prior to filling it with liquid material. This helps to speed the operation while removing any air bubbles that may appear in the product. In some cases, liquid ring pumps are used. One of our key markets is soil remediation. Claw vacuum pumps are typically used for soil vapor extraction, while our claw compressors are suited for air sparging, a low-pressure application. The most popular size vacuum claws are 10 and 15 horsepower models, sometimes up to 30 horsepower. With our competitive pricing and strong availability, we serve both OEMs as well as end users in the remediation industry. For more information, go to ohiomedicalparts.com. Here you'll find a full list of our families of pumps and compressors, including drawings and parts lists. You'll also be able to find all of our related accessories, such as panels, seals, oil, dew point monitors, and dryers. Thank you very much for your attention. We appreciate your time and your business. If you have any questions, please contact us at 312-391-8084.